Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Olajumoke Disu, and today I will be talking about an app called Grammarly. It's called Grammarly. This is an app that checks spelling errors and corrects your spelling errors. Imagine you want to send your resume for a job interview, or you are writing papers for a lot of people who are students who do a lot of paper writing, or you are a blogger and you write a lot. You want to send a comment, you want to send a post on Facebook, you want to send an email to your boss or to your employees or your employers, you want to do a group work. This app is for you. Many a times we think that we are able to, proofread our write-ups, and we just click the send button and you do a second check and realize that there are grammatical errors. That is why you need this app. It's called Grammarly, and it's just like I said, it um picks out the grammatical errors and highlights it, and then you can make corrections to that. It is also very good to detect plagiarism, which is very interesting. It's really good to detect plagiarism if you're a blogger and you feel like your work is being plagiarized. This app is good. Or if you are a professor and you want to go through your students' materials, this app is a good one for you. So all you need to do is go to www.grammarly.com, and we you have this www.grammarly.com, and it brings this up. So you just add to your Chrome. It's absolutely free. You had the extension. So the Grammarly has been added to the Chrome. If you look right here, you saw that. So I have it in my Google Chrome, and I can just go ahead and create an account, and I'm just trying to run us through the process. So you can do this. You just create whatever account you want. So like I said, you can either use the free version or you use the premium. It is $11.66. This would be good if you frequently do a lot of writing and editing, and you just want to make sure that you stay clear of errors. Um, so you have sentence structure, style checks, vocabulary enhancement, plagiarism detection, document type checker, Microsoft Office, and but we are going to be using the free version. So we continue to our accounts that we just set up. So I'm just trying to run us through the setting up process, and then we'll take a look at how it works. So it's a free mistake free in Gmail, Facebook, WordPress, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and anywhere else you write on the web. Basically, if you write anywhere on the web, I can get this on my phone too, and it is very interesting because I could just want to do a post on Facebook or quickly send an email, respond to an email, and I have it just right there, and it would just correct those mistakes and those errors for me. So we have the app, and we have the Grammarly for Chrome, which is what we are using right now. I would just go ahead and test that. But you can add words to your dictionary. For instance, if you're a blogger and you have certain phrases and certain words that you use frequently, or if you're probably a language writer and you have certain words that you use frequently, you can add those words to your dictionary, and those words will no longer be flagged as misspellings. Take for instance, if I want to add this is this is the my native meaning of a name. So this is a name. Say name, rather than say name, I can say Oruka. I'm just trying to use an example. So if I add this, Oruka would be added to the dictionary, has been added to the dictionary, and will no longer be flagged as a misspelling. And it's important to note that if you're American, or if you're using the American English or the British English, I can go right here and change it. I'm using the American English, so I would leave it as the American English. But if you're using the British English, you just need to go right here and change that to British English. But since we are using the American English, we just change that back to American. So right there. And then we can go to see the account, and this is right here. So you can do a quick demo. So this is my Facebook page, and I will just go ahead. It's right here. The Grammarly is right here in my Google Chrome. So I have that there. And I'll just go right here and begin to type. I'm very so I go here. This is it changes this because it gives me the correct grammar. So I can choose to ignore that, or I can just choose to change that. And it gives me the correct version. I can choose to correct with Grammarly, I can add to dictionary, or I can ignore that. So I'm just going to add this to my dictionary. So that is now in my dictionary, and it's not going to bring that as an error anymore. So I have options for this. I can just go ahead and change that to women, and change this to empowered, and change this right here to beyond. So it's really very interesting that I can do all that, and I don't have it's take easier for me to know that I have a spell check, and that I would do a lot of error free posting. Sometimes it can be very embarrassing when you feel like, oh, I went through this paper over and over again, so why do I still have this mistake? It happens a lot, and we just want to beat ourselves and for it. But once you have this installed, you can be rest assured that it would pick up the grammatical errors. So right here I have my Gmail. Like for instance, I want to send an important email. I have my Gmail right here, and it actually gives me the number of the errors, so I can do this. Just go right there and try to change the try to change the name. So I have this. Let's in a check. So right here you have a lot of errors that the Grammarly has pointed out for me. So, and it's interesting that it is in red. So it's easier to take a look at, and you can just it's just easy for you to pick out those errors. So I can go right here and I can I can edit right here punctuation. Do I want my punctuation on or not? Sentence structure. So if I have a wrong, for instance, if I have a wrong sentence structure, it could tell me that it's the wrong sentence structure. So and the premium would give you the enhanced vocabulary. So it provides vocabulary enhancement suggestion to actually diversify your writing. I think this is very cool and very interesting, to work with. If you are that person, you want to go on a dating site and talk to that new girl or that new boy, and you want to create an impression, you don't want to sound like somebody who doesn't know what he or she is saying. So this is a to go app for you. You want to send an email to your boss? This is a to go app for you. You are a professor, you are a student, you do a lot of research work, or you do a lot of fundraising and proposal writing. This is the to go app for you. So if I just want to upgrade to premium, I just click on upgrade and it takes me to the page where I just have to make payment and all that. But we are not going to be doing that, so the we just stick with the free version. So this is a very interesting app, and I just hope that I have been able to give enough details and reasons why you should use this app, and the many advantages, and it's actually for everybody, so it's for everyone. So that will be all for now. Until next time. Bye bye.